Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department said it is closely monitoring the recent increase in positive cases of coronavirus in the districts. Addressing a press briefing in Kohima yesterday, Principal Director Dr. Vizole Sokre said the government alone cannot contain the virus and it requires individuals' responsibility and participation. He urged the civil societies to join the government in containing the further spread of the virus. Dr. Sokre said that there is much to learn about this enigmatic disease, and at the most, what the public can do is to practice social distancing and maintain good hygiene to stay safe. He said the state has no shortage in essential equipments. Dr. Sokre urged the public to refrain from rumors being spread through social media and reminded that one's safety is one's responsibility. Longlang District Task Force on COVID-19 has decided to hold joint mass awareness campaign on COVID-19 covering entire villages and wards under the district. The task force, in its meeting held at the Deputy Commissioner's office, decided to constitute 5 teams in order to accomplish the task at the shortest possible time. Each of the team will comprise of 1 representative each from Medical Department, Administration, Police, POM People's Council, POM La Hoichem and POM Students' Conference. It was decided that the teams will maintain strict standard operating procedure of the government while conducting awareness campaign. The task force further reiterated that SOP of the government will be strictly followed and implemented to contain and control the spread of COVID-19. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has partnered with Facebook to launch free and comprehensive training program for teachers and students of its affiliated schools in the first phase from August to November this year in virtual mode. The program will cover teacher training on augmented reality and student training on digital safety and online well-being. The training program will be of 3 weeks in which 10,000 teachers will be trained on augmented reality while 10,000 students will be trained on digital safety and well-being. The registration process for the training program will begin from today and continue till 20th of this month. The program for teachers will be launched on 10th of August while the students' training will begin from 6th August. Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has appreciated the initiative and encouraged teachers and students to join these programs. COVID-19 Task Force Chizami has named their quarantine center as COVID-19 Creativity Hub Chizami. Convener of Chizami COVID-19 Task Force, Vetsudev Topi said, as the name suggests, the center is a place for creativity, positivity and productivity, and not a place to be abhorred and looked with disdain. He said the task force wanted the returnees to stay positive and make the best use of their stay at the facility using their creative talents and abilities to create and make positive stuffs. Meanwhile, Northeast Network provided necessary tools and kits to the returnees so that they can make use of their time in writing stories, poems, drawings, paintings, and making crafts. Confederation of All India Traders (CAIT) has urged Union Communications and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad not to include Huawei Technologies and ZTE Corporation in the bidding for 5G network in India. In a letter to the Minister, National General Secretary of CAIT, Pravin Khandelwal, has said that 7 crore traders of the country request the central government not to allow Huawei and ZTE Corporation to participate in the 5G network rollout process in the country. The Traders Party asserted that 5G mobile network promises super-fast download speeds and the ability to support critical infrastructure. Therefore, it is more critical from the point of accruing data. Khandelwal emphasized that several countries, including the USA and Australia, have already barred both Huawei and ZTE Corporation. These 2 Chinese entities were charged with a list of crimes, including conspiracy, money laundering, bank and wire fraud. The Traders Party launched a nationwide campaign called Paradiya Saman Hamara Abhiman. It calls for boycott of Chinese products in the wake of India-China standoff along LSC in eastern Ladakh. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.